We're going to be talking about Draftkings, ticker symbol DKNG. So Draftkings has had a pretty good last couple of days here ever since coming off of that bottom at around $27.50. So I was actually talking to one of the members in my Discord, I believe it was last week, and we were kind of on a voice chat in the morning pre-market, and we were talking about this Draftkings, and I said he was talking about possibly loading up in the 30 or 29, or I think he chewed off on some a little bit in that $29, $30 area. And I was kind of just going back on the weekly chart here, and I was kind of just looking at, you know, this $27. I'm not going to call it down to the T, but, you know, anything with a 27 in front of it. So 27.20, 27.80, something in there with a 27, and it looked like a good spot, just because if we did go all the way back here, that was this wick high here. And then when this candle kind of confirmed that, going back on 511, is when we started a little ramp up here. So I figured anything with a 27 in front of it might be a good potential loading zone. And lo and behold, we came down and not only tagged that area to a T, but 27.46 tagged it one time, two time, and immediately got bought up here on the weekly time frame. So what I want to look at going forward from a macro picture is I want to get back up over the 5-day moving average on the weekly time frame, and that price is going to be about 34.92. If I just do break down the daily time frame here, we got that push off that 27.5. We had a little bit of a pullback. However, we are over the 5-day moving average, and today is the first close over the 10-day moving average, going all the way back to the 1st of November. So this is extremely bullish here. You would imagine that this is the short-term bottom on Draftkings at around 27.48 is going to be in. We might chop around and consolidate sideways, and maybe we look for this 30-31 area $30 to $31 area as a level of support. I could completely see that. Maybe we chop around sideways, back test it one more time, and then push up. That next area that I want to look at here is this 34.52, $35 area. It's going to give us a little bit of resistance here because it was acting as support for a few days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And then when we finally broke through, we flushed. So we could only imagine that once we get back up to that $34.50 area, is going to act as a little bit of resistance. Next area that I want to see on Draftkings is to reclaim the 20-day moving average, as well as to work our way inside this midway channel here. And that midway channel is going to be around $36.68. This is going to be a prime opportunity if you're not already starting to load up now on Draftkings. As soon as we get this confirmation over this price action here, get into this midway channel, this is going to be a start of a amazing swing between $36 all the way up to $45. Good little swing there. Obviously, the 50-day moving average is resting at around 43. So I know you guys have been feeling some pain for quite some time now on Draftkings. I feel it. I feel you. I've been following this thing. I've traded this thing in and out. Haven't really traded it any to the downside just because not really my style. But on this particular stock, I mean, however, like if you just look at this consolidation here, and realistically, when we lost this $45 area here going to the 4th of November, just 3 weeks straight down. So this would have been an amazing swing to the downside here. I just, didn't really cross my mind at the time. But $27 is a good loading zone. Tagged it 2 times between 27 and 30. I'm pretty confident that those are going to be good dollar cost averaging spots right there. And then we kind of just have to let the stock play out. So let's see if we get a day 3 continuation on the stock. It was up $6.75 or 6.5% on the day, and $2.11 on the day. We did close at 33.38 after hours, currently trading at around 33 even. So not much there. But definitely something you want to keep your eyes on Draftkings going forward. Obviously, the stock is going to change directions, and the trend will change as soon as we reclaim that 50-day moving average at around $43. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, drop me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all in the next video.